everybody likes to know when something's going to begin and end. And so, like, you set a timer for some kids, just like you have the timer set for your workout, and you're like, oh, it's almost done. I got 5 more minutes. Well, when you think about it, that's actually pretty regulating. So one of the things that I did and started to do in front of the classroom was to basically set a timer, not a timer for kids or a timer for a kid who might be in timeout, but a timer so they would know when things are going to begin and end. So let's say I'm going to lecture to my high school kids. Now, we know that the adult attention span runs about 18 minutes, all right? And sometimes we really push that in lecture, especially with our upper grades. So I got to let those kids know, listen, I'm going to talk for about 10 minutes or 8 minutes. I always find if it's 8 minutes and 12 minutes versus 10, for some reason, they accept that better. Weird, but it works. And I'm going to put a timer on. Now, it might be an electronic timer. It could be an old sand timer if I can, equal the minutes that I want or whatever. But I put it on and I say, guys, your job is to really attend to what I'm saying during this time period. So if you find yourself struggling and not being able to attend because you get a little bored, a little distracted, just look at that timer and tell yourself, you got this. There's this many minutes left. Now, are some kids going to stare at the timer and maybe not listen as much to me? Could be, but they're still going to be present and they're going to hear some of what I'm saying. But what I have learned is that when you tell them when it's going to begin and when it's going to end, they have a chance to self-regulate when they start to kind of go adrift.